In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from iPhone 14 to iPhone 16. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to transfer your photos, your videos, your documents, and basically anything that you have on an old iPhone to a new one, follow these steps. This is going to be done when you reach the setup screen on your new iPhone. So in this example, the iPhone 16. The first time that you power it on, you will see this hello screen where you are able to sign in with your Apple account and you will get the option to transfer data. So all that you have to do is power on the old iPhone and make sure that it is in close proximity of the new one. If you put them in close proximity, while the new iPhone is going through the setup process, you will see this message on the old one, set up new iPhone. So all that you have to do here is choose the option to transfer your data. So you tap on continue under setup new iPhone and you will be guided through the quick start process. In here you will see the option to scan this equivalent of a QR code. So you point your camera into this pattern that is going to be presented on one of the iPhones, and once you scan this, all of your documents, your files, your account, your apps will be transferred over. So they will go to the new iPhone. All that you have to do is make sure that you scan this properly using your camera. If you don't see this pop up here, set up new iPhone, just reboot the old iPhone and it should appear immediately after you will unlock it again. You will then see the main options to transfer your data. They are going to be transferring between the iPhones, so directly through them, or downloading them through iCloud. So if you have a backup made on iCloud recently, you can just download the data over your internet. I recommend using the first one, transfer from iPhone, and your new iPhone will be ready and all of its settings will match the old iPhones, so you won't have to spend time setting everything up again. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data from iPhone 14 to 16. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.